Good morning students. I am Veena Sharma, your SST teacher. Dear students, today we start Geography lesson number 6, Manufacturing Industry. I want to tell you the meaning of manufacture. What is manufacture? Manufactures mean raw material converted into final or valuable product. Manufacturing is a backbone of our nation. The process of converting raw material into final or finished product is called manufacturing. Example for we prepare paper from the wood, aluminium goods from the bauxite. What these things? Paper from wood and aluminium goods from the bauxite is produced. This process is called manufacturing. What is the importance of manufacturing? Reduce dependence on agriculture. How? Dear students, if there are less and more industry in our country, then the people got their employment. In this way, they reduce the burden of agriculture, because some people got job employment in agriculture sector and some got in the manufacture sector. Second point is eradications of unemployment and poverty. How unemployment and poverty is reduced? Manufacturing industry provide employment to the people, so that in this way they got job there and poverty is removed. Next is reduce regional disparities in terms of development. Regional mean area. Where there will be industry, there will be more development. So industries are set up where we get raw material, labor, market, energy, etc. In this way, what happened? Regional disparities reduced. Next is expand trade and commerce. How? Manufacturing industry produce large quantity things in a cheap rate, that we did trade and commerce. We export from other countries and we get income from other countries. Next importance of manufacturing industry is increased prosperity. How prosperity increased? When we do trade with our other countries, when more things are produced in industries, we export from other countries and we got national income in our country. In this way, manufacturing industry increase prosperity. So students, we read about the term manufacture and importance of manufacturing. Now, next topic is factor contributing to the location of industry. It means that where industries are set up, where industries are located, everywhere we cannot locate or establish industry. There are some reasons from where industries are located. So firstly, location of industries depends on the two factors. One is physical factor and second is human factor. Physical factors such as raw material, water, power resources, climate, and human factors are labor, market, transport, government policies and capital. These two factors, physical and human factors, are dependent on the location of the industry. Let's discuss these factors one by one. Firstly, raw material. Suppose we wanted to establish an industry. From where we establish? In the belt where raw material provided. Next is water. Water is important for industries because it is used for industries. Power resources, every industries run with power. So power play very important role for the industry. Climate. If climate is not suitable for industry, then we did not establish their industry. So climate play very important role for establishing the industry. In human factor came laborer, where we provide cheap laborer for the industry. Industries are set up because mostly industries are set up for profit. How we get the profit? Where there is the cheap labor. If labor is not cheap, we cannot get the more profit. Market. Manufacturing means converting things into final product. And final product from where we send? We send that product in the market. If market is not available, then from where we send the product? So market play very important role in the location of the industry. How the things came in the market? So means of transport and communications play very important role in the location of the industry. With the help of transport, we supply the things that manufacture in the secondary sector, and services goes to the tertiary sector. Now government policy, where the government provide good policies, industries are also located there. Main and important point is capital. Capital means wealth. So industries are set up where we get large amount of capital. So these are the factors of location of industry. There are two factors, physical factor and human factor. Now next topic is classification of industry. Into how many parts we divided? We classify industry. Mostly we divide industry into two parts. One is agro-based industry, second is mineral-based industry. In this topic, we will read about the two main topics, that is based on the raw material and based on the mineral. So firstly, we read the classification of the industry. Classification of industry, firstly we depend, that is based on raw material. Raw material based industries are two types. One is heavy, second is light. Heavy means where iron and steel industry, steel equipment, tools are produced. Light industry where electric things are produced. Next, classification of industry is capital investment. Capital investment means large scale industry where more than 5 crore investment is done, and small scale industry where 1 crore investment is done. Large scale industry produce large thing, large production, and small scale industry produce small product. Large scale produce for export and small scale produce for self consumption. Next, classification of industry is based on ownership. Ownership means who is the owner of that industry. Here are the 4 points. Firstly, public industry, second, private industry, then joint industry, and next is cooperative industry. So public industries are those industries which are owned and controlled by the government. Owned and controlled by the government. And then private industry, owned and controlled by the individual. Loss and profit will be private individual, and in the government sector, loss and profit will be government. Then joint sector industries, where both sector, public sector and private sector work together, that is called joint sector. Now, fourth type of industry is cooperative industry. Cooperative industries are those industries which run by the private and public sector with the corporate. So, public sector industry come Tisco, Bajaj, and private industries such as whale. Joint sector industries, oil, and cooperative industries came under sugar industries. So, based on ownership, we divide industry into 4 parts: public, private, joint, and cooperative sector industries. Classification of industry in the last point, sources of raw material. Sources of raw material mean Which type of raw material provide the industry? I discussed in the first part, that is agro-based industry and mineral-based industry. Agro-based industries are those industry which depends on the agriculture, and mineral-based industries are those industry which depends on the mineral. Minerals such as machine, tool and cement. So friends, here we done the classification of industry on the base raw material, capital investment based on ownership, source of raw material. Now next topic is agro-based industry. In next part we will read agro-based industries such as cotton, jute, wool, woolen, silk, synthetic, sugarcane. So friends, we will meet in the next part, that is agro-based industries.